Hey everyone, this is Justine from JustPlans and welcome back to another video. This week I am memory planning with the Serenity kit by Two Lil Bees. I'm absolutely obsessed with this kit. It is so incredibly stunning and gorgeous. I just think that any kit that combines like these pinks with the mint greens and some florals and even like the relaxing stay-at-home homey vibes, I'm just all for that. That is right up my alley. This kit was so pretty. I couldn't resist it when I saw it in Maria's shop, and I feel like Maria's kits just in general are so perfect and effortless to plan with. This was so much fun to plan this week, and I actually was surprisingly like reluctant at first to use this kit. First of all, like kits that I love this much, I typically like to hoard them. And like, you know, I don't want to use them unless it's like something super special, or like an event that's super special. But anyway, specifically, I didn't want to use this kit because my last spread was gold foiled, and my next two spreads are going to be gold foiled too. And typically, I like to why can't I say that word? Vary the foil colors that I'm going to be using, but I just could not. I like had an empty spot in my kit planner for this week, and I something was just pulling me to use this kit, and I'm glad I listened to that voice because this spread came out so incredibly pretty. Yeah. So anyway, you will notice here that I pulled in that mini dot banner from Honey Inked. I'm going to be using a lot of Honey Inked foil deco. Specifically, I'm going to be using like a lot of the stickers are from Rachel of Gathered Plants' freebie with Honey Inked. I just drew a lot of inspiration from Rachel as well as Lauren this week. And I used a lot of stickers from, again, Rachel's freebie with Honey Inked. And I think especially like this particular spot in my sidebar right now is totally inspired by those two. And again, yeah, you can see that her freebie right there. But yeah, I pulled in a lot of stickers, and I really love how this little spot turned out. I think that came out super pretty, and yeah, really happy with that. Okay, now into the daily plans. Or actually, first I'll just say that the April script is from Lilac Luna Plans. The bow swooshy below that is from the Pretty Pink Co. And then there is a floral deco in that half box in the sidebar, and that's from Ruby J Designs. I do have codes to all of those shops. All my codes will be linked down in the description box below. Here I pulled in a Hexagon Frame Box from Ruby J Designs, and I really love the size of those. They're big enough to write something in, but also small enough so that they don't take up the entire width of the column. I just layered that or paired that with some floral deco from the kit and some more honey inked foil pieces there. Above that I did mark work with a Crafts by Towie laptop icon and layered that with an arrow from the kit. I'm going to be marking work or my meetings for work the same way every single day. So not going to repeat that every day. Okay, so then below that, just put in a full box, and I used the to-do headers from the kit. I prefer, when it comes to script headers, I prefer using the today headers as opposed to the to-do headers, just because to-do doesn't really make any sense to me. But I wanted to pull in, but I chose the to-do headers just because they're pink, and the today headers were green. Okay. At the end of the night, I did feel like I like strained my neck or something, and that like I had some pain in my neck, so I just wanted to mark that. I pulled in a prescription bottle from White Deer Stationery, though I didn't like take any meds for that. And then at the end of the day, I did just mark that we went on a family walk. I pulled in my absolute favorite puppy icon from Honey Inked to mark that. Okay, on Tuesday, I got my first COVID vaccine dose, which I was absolutely excited to get. So I marked that with a stethoscope icon from White Deer Stationery, put a Letters from Lay bow on top of that, and then here this swooshy is, I think, I really, really love the style of that swoosh. That is from Ruby J Designs. Ruby, you absolutely need to make a full sheet of that swoosh because I will buy a million of those. Love that. But yeah, very, very excited to get my first vaccine dose on this day. Just I think everyone should be getting that vaccine. Yeah, just wanted to do my part and also to feel safer personally. So really excited to get that. We made some fish tacos for dinner. So I had or just used a Crafts by Tally tacos icon, and then at the end of the night, or for like, the second half of the day, my arm was super, super sore. That was like the only side effect that I really had from my first dose. Was my arm hurt so bad, like way more than any other vaccine injection site that I've had before. So yeah, that was like not fun. It hurt so bad that I was like crying to my boyfriend about it. But anyway, not too big of a deal. On Wednesday, my arm still hurt, so I did take some Tylenol for that, and the Tylenol honestly like worked wonders on my sore arm. Really happy about that. Okay, so here I am using a lace divider, the thick lace dividers from Bloom Paper Studio. Initially, I put that by itself, and then I just kind of felt like I wanted some color there, so I layered that on top of a washi strip. I love how that turned out. I love doing that for like the clear foil deco, or like foil deco that's like that. I like to layer those over washi strips or layering pieces or flags or things like that, or like even the half circle scallops. I like having that like bit of color that matches the kit underneath that foil deco. I just feel like that adds like an extra dimension to it, and it's not just like kind of boring and too white spacey. But anyway, this day I also got a haircut finally. I think it was my first haircut. No, that's not true. Never mind. It's my second haircut since like COVID happened, but cut my hair quite short. It's like shoulder length now, and I feel like the short hair kind of suits me better than long hair, and it has the added benefit of like being super like low maintenance, and I just feel like I can tolerate that a bit more. I did pull in a haircut icon from White Deer Stationery and a circle scallop, half scallop circle. I don't never know how to say that. But that's from Sweet Bella XOXO. Okay, here I'm pulling in that like half circle type of frame box thing. That's from a freebie from the Pretty Pink Co. And I just used that to mark a big meeting that we had at work that day. I initially layered it over that flag from the kit, but once I put the full box and the header down, I kind of felt like that flag was a little too busy up there, so I pulled that flag out. I like how that turned out better, like it was much more white spacey up there. And then I just marked my other meeting at work, pulled in that swooshy that's from Ruby J Designs, and I think that is really, really pretty too. I also like how it's a bit like thicker, so it took up a bit more space there. And then at the end of the night, I'm just marking that I filmed, edited, and uploaded a plan with me, and that planner is from Hello Petite Paper. Whew, okay. I feel like I don't know. I always get like winded doing these voiceovers because I feel like if I'm not constantly talking, it gets boring. And if I'm like talking too slowly, it also gets boring. And yeah, so I'm just like constantly like rattling off words. Anyway, on Friday, I had no meetings for work, so I marked it super extra. This is the only reason why I did that is because I literally didn't have anything else marked in my planner. So I wanted to just like take up a lot of space there. I did another Bloom Paper Studio thick lace divider over a washi strip from the kit, and I just again obsessed with how that looks. I love that lace divider. I should probably order some more of that. I think that was from a freebie from Sharon's shop. Anyway, Sharon, yeah, I'm gonna have to place an order for that. Anyway, okay, so then again, had nothing else to mark for the rest of the night, so I just pulled in a sofa chair from Planning World and a half box and just marked that I had a relaxing night at home. I initially put down that marble full box, but I wanted some green there, so I switched that out for the last green full box of the kit. And here, just, adding some foil deco because, of course, can't leave well enough alone. On Saturday, let's see, I'm starting with the full box, and then I just had a lazy morning. I pulled in this hexagon sticker. It came from the same freebie from the Pretty Pink Co. as that half circle scallop thing on Thursday. Just use that to mark that I had a lazy morning. I'll come in later and add some foil deco at the very, very end, but yeah. Anyway, we did go to Dairy Queen to pick up some, ice cream, obviously. Oh my God. Voiceovers, huh? Aren't they fun? Fun, fun, fun. Okay. And then at the end of the night, this was the first time that we played Dominion online with some of our friends, and I just pulled in that floral sticker from Ruby J Designs. And then, Dominion is absolutely not a console game, but this was kind of like the closest sticker that I had to like playing games. That is, I think it might be called Game Console, but that's from White Deer Stationery. And that was a notification from my work computer because I'm, taking a little break to do this voiceover. Anyway, that was so much fun. I had never played Dominion before, and it's like a card, it's a card game, but it's like a party card game. I don't know. You can play with a lot of people, and we found like an online version for that, or actually it actually is the official online version of that game. But we've been playing that game a lot. I had a really great time playing that game. It's like so fun. And then online there are a whole bunch of expansion packs that you can add to it to make that like do different things. I don't know. I can't really explain it very well, but like if you've played Dominion before, you need to play the online version. So fun. And again, we have been playing that like, I don't know, many times since in the last month. Anyway, on Sunday I did upload, that Plan With Me just went live, so I pulled in a YouTube icon from Lilac Luna Plans, and then below that I just pulled in again some more deco from Rachel's freebie from Honey Inked, and then I just pulled in a hanger icon from Planning World and a short flag from the kit to mark that we just cleaned and did some more unpacking. We are still settling into our home. And then at the end of the night, we were able to get like one of those like Google Nest thermostats, which is so cool, and like it just looks pretty. So to prep for that, we just removed the old thermostat, and then I had to like spackle sand and then spackle again, the space around the old thermostat to prep for installing the new thermostat the next day. Sorry, that's kind of boring. I don't know. I just pulled in some deco from the kit, some more Honey Inked floral deco. I keep saying floral, but I mean foil. And then I think I just pulled in some of that deco is also from Letters from Life. Okay, so here I did have some more stickers from Rachel's freebie that I just wanted to like throw it all on the page. Why not? So I just like, I'm just like placing all that here. But anyway, this is basically the final spread. I just love it. I love the kit in general, and then I just love how this spread turned out. I think it came out really pretty, really soft and feminine and foily, just really, really like happy with it. I thought it was really fun to play with the mini dot banners. I've never used those before, and I know that's like a big trend right now going on, and I can't knock it. It's super, super pretty, and I love how it kind of just adds that like floral, or I keep saying floral, but I mean foil, that foil accented like the corners of things, right? But anyway, this is how the spread turned out. Thank you so much for watching, and I really appreciate it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!